But they say, they say when we're too close to the forest, it's difficult to see the trees. And in the random scheme of things, this is probably an opportunity that will aid in not only your leveling up, but in it's opening windows of creative possibilities for me as well. Okay, well, I could take my network and I could interview. Good ask question. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like. That's where you play it like an instrument. Light tends to make an object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. And you see that commonality in music, like primarily in the 1-4-5 blues progression. See that? That's a poor